Ok, chào các bạn. Chào mừng các bạn đến với kênh của mình. Hôm nay tôi sẽ làm Trần Tôn. Mọi người xem video ủng hộ mình nhé.
First, we use a laser to balance the fur walls and take a marker to get ink marks. Next, measure the wall. Take a flat cutting board at both ends equal to the number you just measured. Use a screw to drill holes about 50 centimeters apart. Place the top dot according to the thread, mark according to the drilled hole. Drill according to the marker and close the stopper. Use a screwdriver to fix the molding on the wall. Measure and divide the position to place the purlin. To opposite walls do the same. The side wall is measured in length and then cut diagonally 3 centimeters at both ends. Cut to the shape as above. Measure and cut purlins and shoot the L angle. Place the purlin on the wall. The lower edge of the purlin is close to the upper edge of the form. Marking and drilling holes to close the stopper. Lift the purlin and drill screws to fix the purlin. Measure from the bottom of the slab to the other, -2 centimeters to cut the ceiling panel. Edge is above facing out, screw the edge into the purlin. The next plate is inserted into the slot of this plate and so on. The last plate measures the bottom of this slab and the outside edge of the other -4 millimeters. If the long side is long, measure the bottom to just the middle of the edge. Tuck the long edge into the mold first, then use your hand to push it into the groove. That's it. Thank you for watching.